Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to find who you follow on Amazon. So it's actually pretty easy. You just have to do the following. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to amazon.com and log in into your account. Now once logged in, you want to go to the top right of your screen. So here you'll see the accounts and lists. So you want to click on that. Now from here, you'll be redirected to the Your Account section. As you can see, there's different sections that we could access here, but what we're looking for is the information just underneath this section here. So when we go here, you see different options again. There's a lot, but what we're looking for is the ordering and shopping preferences, which is the setting just under it is the Your Amazon profile. So you want to open this up. Now from here, you should be able to see your Amazon profile and you'll see all the details that you have right now. In this section, you should be able to see who you follow on Amazon, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.